The demand for high-quality air hockey tables has increased as families and gaming enthusiasts look for fun, affordable entertainment at home. These tables provide exciting arcade-style gameplay without breaking the bank. In this guide, we evaluate list number. The Serene Life 54-inch air hockey game table is a powerful, mid-sized option perfect for family fun. Featuring a dual blower system with 2x stronger motor power, it ensures smooth and fast puck gliding for an authentic arcade experience. The sturdy MDF construction provides long-term durability, while the compact design makes it a great fit for game rooms or basements. Easy to assemble and designed for competitive play, this table offers excellent value under $500. List number. This 58-inch arcade-style air hockey table delivers professional-level gameplay with its powerful 700 mAh motor, ensuring consistent airflow across the surface. The larger size allows for a more competitive feel, making it perfect for teens and adults. It comes with ergonomic strikers, high-quality pucks, and reinforced legs for stability during fast-paced matches. The modern design fits any game room, while its affordability makes it one of the best choices in this price range. List number 3. Go Sports 48-inch air hockey arcade table for kids, oak or black. The Go Sports 48-inch air hockey arcade table is designed with kids in mind, but offers solid gameplay for the whole family. Available in oak or black finishes, it adds a stylish touch to any room. Its smooth airflow, powered by an efficient electric motor, ensures consistent play. The compact size makes it ideal for smaller spaces, while its sturdy construction ensures lasting use. A great choice for younger players and family game nights. List number. Best Choice Products 40-inch tabletop air hockey table is perfect for those who need a portable and space-saving solution. Despite its compact design, it delivers impressive gameplay with a powerful air blower and smooth playing surface. Lightweight yet sturdy, it can be set up on any table and stored easily after use. Ideal for kids or casual players, it combines affordability, convenience, and durability under a $500 budget. List number 5. Go Sports 40-inch tabletop air hockey game for kids, AC outlet. The Go Sports 40-inch tabletop air hockey game is designed for younger players and casual family fun. It features an AC-powered blower for smooth puck action and a durable tabletop design that can be placed anywhere. Easy to set up and store, it is perfect for smaller living spaces. The compact size and lightweight frame make it a great option for families seeking budget-friendly entertainment without compromising playability.